Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sorry. Good afternoon, ma'am.
It's okay. Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kavya. Mehak, good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Khushbu. What did we do yesterday?
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. I think yesterday
Ma'am,
we
we
did.
did.
Ma'am, we were doing the flow chart.
I think flowcharts were all over. No, I told you to take the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Hana?
Yes.
Fine. So let us start with the geography chapter today. Or shall we do the question answers of civics? Class 10. Dhananjay, good afternoon.
Ma'am, geography.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shreya. Let us start with the new chapter of geography. That is minerals and energy resources, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Agrim. A quick attendance. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, Raksha. Quickly your attendance and we start with the class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Deepshikha. Beta, was Anand there in the class today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All the classes he was there?
Yes, ma'am, but he was
Yes,
not
ma'am.
responding.
Ah.
And ma'am, in one of the class, he was not connected to the audio.
This is what, no? He is sending a message unable to connect. Chaliye, quickly your attendance and then we start with the class. Anya Gupta, not there. Abhinav Pandey, not there. Agrim,
Present, ma'am.
Akansha Yadav, Aksada,
Present, ma'am.
Anamta,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Singh, Bhumika Patel, Chirag, Deepshikha,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh, Dhananjay,
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv Sharma, Harshit Kumar, Kapil Patel, Kavya Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Khushbu Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Khushbu, yesterday you were there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Mehak, Malay, Faiz,
Present, ma'am.
Haseen,
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshu, Ramsha,
Present, ma'am.
Tanya,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Swali.
Present, ma'am.
Beta, do we have Sanya in the class? No.
Ma'am, have you marked my presence?
Yes, Faiz.
And mine?
Yes. Agrim, Shreya, Vishesh. चलिए. In total 16 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, did you mark mine?
हाँ जी विशेष.
Ma'am, did you mark my attendance?
Yes बेटा विशेष अभी हमने आपका नाम लिया. Anand is telling it is not connecting. चलिए बेटा I am taking the names again. Agrim, Aksada, Anamta, Deepshikha, Dhananjay, Kavya,
Present.
Khushbu, Malay, Faiz, Haseen, Nikhil,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Priyanshu, Ramsha,
Present, ma'am.
Ramsha,
Present, ma'am.
then Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Swali, Vishesh.
Present, ma'am.
Vishesh.
Present, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, Deepshika present.
हाँ Deepshikha is present बेटा.
I'm Agrim, present.
Agrim, I said no. I already took your name that these people are already there in the class. Fine. Okay. We'll start with the new chapter of geography, that is minerals and energy resources. Let me share the screen with you. Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For those who don't have the book, okay. See, when we say minerals, there are so many things that if we look around us, we will find that everything that we have, it has some other mineral in it. I hope you agree with this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can Priyanshu name some objects that he is using and are having minerals?
But ma'am, please can you repeat? I didn't heard.
I
ma'am,
am
what you
saying, can you name some objects or articles in your house around you that are made up of metals or minerals?
Ma'am, there are
And what-
many things, ma'am, like ma'am, my phone, aluminium and something mix in that, and
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am. Set में mint.
iron rods,
Very
and
good.
ma'am, copper wires,
Very good.
and ma'am, gold jewelries.
Very good. Yes. Anybody else? Agrim?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Tell.
Ma'am, wires used in the house and
बताओ. Okay, fine. Fine. ठीक है, mute yourself, Agrim, it is fine. Now see, we all know that, without minerals, we cannot imagine our lives. Can we? We cannot. Everything that we have, everything that we use, everything is made up of some of the other minerals, or the food, even the food that we eat, it contains, some part of mineral content in it. So we can say that without minerals, for us, life is not possible. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When we talk of minerals, particularly, we all know minerals can be categorized into various categories. Like if we say minerals are categorized as metallic, in the metallic minerals also, there are 3 different types into which it is categorized. We have ferrous minerals that has iron in it. We have non-ferrous minerals that does not have iron in it. And then we have the precious mineral metals, which are called as which are the expensive metals like gold, silver, platinum, diamond, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now, when we talk of non-metallic minerals, we are basically talking about those minerals which are very soft, like mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, limestone, then marble, sandstone. All these are categorized as non-metallic minerals. हाँ जी धनंजय बताइए क्या पूछना है आपको?
Ma'am,
हम्म?
uranium is also a mineral.
एनर्जी रिसोर्स होता है ये, हाँ
Okay.
ठीक है, इसको हम एनर्जी रिसोर्स कहते हैं. ठीक,
So, ma'am, it comes under the group of precious.
नहीं प्रीशियस में तो नहीं डालेंगे इसको, आप एनर्जी रिसोर्स कह सकते हो आप,
Okay.
है ना? हाँ, चलिए. Then the next category that we have, it is of the energy resources. Now, when we talk of energy resources, we categorize them into 2 categories: renewable, non-renewable, non-conventional or conventional, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Class 8th, we have read about all these, like renewable,
Yes, ma'am.
non-renewable, you know. Then we have also read about the future energy resources like biogas, solar energy, tidal energy, hydroelectricity, as it is we are using it, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when we say, when we talk about the composition of the mineral, we all know that mineral are naturally occurring substances with a definable internal structure. There is a defined structure that they have in it. That is why they are called as minerals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, talking about their occurrences, see, we all know that various mineral types that we have, they occur in different types of rocks that we have. If I ask you how many rock types we have, can you tell?
Sedimentary,
Igneous,
Three.
sedimentary, metamorphic.
Very good. When we talk of rocks, there are three types of rocks that we have come across in our past classes that we have read: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and the metamorphic rocks. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All the
Yes,
Yes,
hard
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
all the hard metals that we have, they occur in the igneous and the metamorphic rocks. And all the soft metals that we have, soft minerals that are there, almost all, they are in sedimentary rocks. Even iron ores are also present in the sedimentary rocks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in igneous rocks and the metamorphic rocks, these mineral, they are concentrated in the small occurrences and in the large occurrences. Like the small occurrences, they are in the form of veins, and the large occurrences, they are in the shape of lodes. Like they are called as lodes, where the large occurrences are there, and the small occurrences, the veins which are there, they are the veins where the mineral concentration is there, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
all these minerals which we have, we all know that these minerals we obtain from the interior of the earth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
these, how do these minerals, they are formed either in the liquid form or in the gaseous form, they are there, right? And the cavities that are there in the rocks through, in the earth crust, through these cavities, which are called as lodes and veins, through these cavities, they are pushed or they are forced upwards on the surface of the earth crust, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when we talk of the sedimentary rocks, we all know that sedimentary rocks, they are found near the beds, ocean beds or the river beds that we have, right? Or they are in the layers. Sedimentary rocks, why they are called as sedimentary rocks? Because they are found in layers,
Layers.
in layers in strata, right? That is why they are called as sedimentary rocks. And we all know, because these sediments that we have or the strata that is formed, it is made up of the organic and both inorganic material. But most of it, we have the organic materials like the fossil fuels which are there, the dead remains of plants and animals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
so most of the mineral oil that we have is obtained from the beds of the oceans or the rivers or the seas. Then gypsum, potash, salt, sodium, coal, iron ore, all these are obtained from the sedimentary rocks. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now talking about the decomposition of surface rocks, most of the bauxite that we have. Agrim, क्या हुआ बेटा?
कुछ नहीं, ma'am.
हाँ, most of the bauxite that we have, it is the decomposed surfaces of the rocks that we have, it contains all the residual masses, the weathered material that we have, it is there found on the in the decomposition of the surface rock. And most of the bauxite, what do we obtain from bauxite, do you know? Class, what do we obtain from bauxite? Class? Am I not audible, children?
Ma'am, don't know.
अरे साइंस पढ़ने वाले बच्चे हो आप लोग. बॉक्साइट बेटा, एल्यूमिनियम मिलता है बॉक्साइट से, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. हाँ, तो कह रहा है कि मैक्सिमम जो बॉक्साइट है, एल्यूमिनियम का जो कंसंट्रेशन है, ठीक है? तो एल्यूमिनियम जो है वो आपको बॉक्साइट से ऑब्टेन करते हैं हम. तो ये आपके वेदर्ड जो मटेरियल होते हैं, रेजिडुअल मासेस जो होती हैं, उनमें पाया जाता है, ठीक है? देन टॉकिंग अबाउट द एलुवियल डिपॉजिट्स. ये एलुवियल डिपॉजिट्स क्या होते हैं, डू यू नो? What are alluvial deposits?
Ma'am, the mineral which are found in sand valleys.
Yes, sands of valleys बेटा. जो आपके ये हम सब लोग ये जानते हैं कि जो alluvial soil है वो basically क्या है? It is the most fertile soil that is obtained from the erosion of the rocks which are obtained from the mountains, from where the river originates, right? And it through
Yes, ma'am.
over a period of time, this erosion process, it brings out sediments, and these sediments, they get deposited on the plains. या तो आपके ये जो फ्लोर, ये जो वैली फ्लोर्स होते हैं, वैलीज के नीचे वहां पे इकट्ठा होते हैं, या फिर ये आपके जो हिल बेसेस होते हैं उनके वहां पे इकट्ठा होते हैं. तो ये जो एलुवियल डिपॉजिट्स होते हैं, इनमें आपके जो गोल्ड, सिल्वर, प्लेटिनम जो है, ये आपको यहाँ से हमें इन एलुवियल डिपॉजिट्स में मिलते हैं. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जितना भी मैग्नीशियम या ब्रोमाइन और ये जो आपका सॉल्ट होता है, ये आपको मिलता है ओशन वाटर्स के ऊपर से, ठीक है? आप देखो ओशन वाटर में जो सलाइन वाटर होता है, ये सैलिनिटी जो होती है, जो आपके ओशन बेड्स पे जो जितना भी रॉक्स, जितने भी जो है वेव्स के थ्रू जो सेडिमेंट्स आते हैं, जो पार्टिकल्स आते हैं, उनको उनमें इवेपोरेशन की वजह से जो है जो मटेरियल हमें मिलता है, दैट इज सॉल्ट, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
This much is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us read now up till where I have told you, and then further more explanation we will go through. Chaliye, let us have Shreya reading.
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 5, Minerals and Energy Resources. We use different things in our daily life made from metal. Can you list a number of items used in your houses made of metals? Where do these metals come from? You have studied that the earth crust is made up of different minerals embedded in the rocks. Various metals are extracted from these minerals after proper refinement. Minerals are an indispensable part of our lives. Almost everything we use, from a tiny pin to a towering building or a big ship, all are made from minerals. The railway lines and the tarmac of the roads, our implements and machinery too are made from minerals. Cars, bus, trains, aeroplanes are manufactured from minerals and run on power resources derived from the earth. Even the food that we eat contain minerals. In all stages of development, human beings have used minerals for their livelihood, decoration, festivities, religious and ceremonial rites.
Fine. Anything to be explained up till here?
Ma'am, what is
No, ma'am.
indispensable?
Batao,
Ma'am,
who will
what is
tell what is
indispensable?
indispensable? Who will tell what is indispensable? Tell.
Ma'am, very
Ma'am,
important.
Something that you cannot do away with. Right?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
unavoidable.
compulsory.
Unavoidable, exactly. Something वही कोई ऐसी चीज
necessary,
मिनरल्स आर हाँ बेटा बोलो बच्चे
necessary,
हाँ necessary important something that you cannot do without है ना जैसे आज की डेट में अगर आप देखो मोबाइल्स दे हैव बिकम इंडिस्पेंसिबल पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ भले क्लासेस हो ना हो फिर भी मोबाइल छूटते नहीं है हाथ से हम लोगों के है ना क्यों क्लास
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
बट सी मिनरल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आप देखो खाने से लेके जो चीजें हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं बीट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बीट योर these equipments that we are using anything you look up in around yourself you will find that they are having some or the other type of mineral in it right
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए now let us have भूमिका रीडिंग ठीक है हाँ बेटा भूमिका आर यू देयर दीपशिखा
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा
Ma'am, please tell from where my meeting was disconnected.
बेटा आप पढ़ो यहाँ से व्हाट इज अ मिनरल जियोलॉजिस्ट्स
What is the minerals? Geologists define minerals as a hemo, hemo,
as a
Homogeneous.
homogeneous
naturally occurring substance
हाँ,
with a definable internal structure.
definable
Minerals
with
are
a
found.
बेटा दीपशिका with a definable internal structure
Ma'am. Minerals are found in varied form in nature, ranging from the hardest diamond to the softest steel. Why are they so varied?
ठीक है चलिए next can we have हसीन reading
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ read
You have already learned about rocks. Rocks are the combination of homogeneous substance called minerals. Some rocks, for instance, limestones, consist of a single mineral only. but majority of the rocks contain of several minerals and various properties. Although over 2000 minerals have been identified, only a few are abundantly found in most of the rocks. The particular minerals that will be formed from a certain combination of elements depends upon the physical and chemical conditions under which the material forms. In this in turn results in a wide range of colors, hardness, crystal forms, luster,
हाँ,
and density that are particular minerals
possesses.
possesses. Geologists use these properties to classify the minerals.
ठीक है. Thank you very much. Can we have Priyanshu reading study of minerals by geographers and geologists?
This paragraph.
Yes.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Geographers study minerals as a part of earth crust for a better understanding of landforms. The distribution of mineral resources, associated economical activities are interest in geographers. The geologist, however, is interested in the formation of minerals, their ages, and physical chemical compositions.
Okay.
And
What is
this
the
also-
difference? Wait. What is the difference between the study of minerals by geographers and geologists? Swali?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference between the study of minerals by geographers and geologists?
Geographers study minerals as part of Earth's crust for a better understanding of landforms.
Hmm.
Whereas a geologist is, however, interested in the formation of minerals and their age and physical and chemical compositions.
See, geographers, their main concentration is that because minerals are part of the earth's crust, so they just want to understand that what is the what type of distribution of minerals we have and how it can be utilized for the economic activities. Whereas the geologists, those we have, they are more interested in the formation of the minerals, like how they are made, like what is the formation, what is the chemical composition, what is their age, what is the physical and the chemical composition. This is the basic difference, right?
Yes.
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 चलिए Priyanshu, carry on reading beta.
Mode of occurrence of minerals. Where are these minerals found? Minerals are usually found in ores. The term ore is used to describe accumulation of minerals mixed with other elements. The mineral content the ore must be in sufficient concentration to make its attraction commercially viable. What is this? Ma'am, it should be available. Ma'am, it is written
Commercially
viable.
viable, commercially viable, useful.
Okay, ma'am. The type of formation or structure in which they are found determines to relative ease with which minerals ore may be mined. This also determines the cost of extraction. It is therefore important for us to understand the main type of formation in which minerals occur. Minerals generally occur in these forms. Number one, the igneous and metamorphic rocks. Minerals may occur in the cracks. And what is this? Cracks, series,
And crevices,
faults.
cracks and crevices.
What is meaning of crevices?
बेटा जो क्रैक्स जो पड़े होते हैं ना, जो स्पेसेस होते हैं अवेलेबल इन दी रॉक्स, आपने
Yes,
देखा
ma'am.
होगा. हाँ, वो उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Faults or joints. The smaller occurrence are called veins and the larger are called lodes. In most cases, they are formed when minerals in liquid, molten or gaseous form of the force upward to the cavity towards the earth's surface. They cool and solidify as they rise. Major metallic minerals like tin, copper, zinc, and lead, etc., are obtained from veins and lodes. Second, in sedimentary rocks, a number of minerals occur in bed or layers. They have been formed as a result of decomposition, accumulation, and concentration. In horizontal strata, coal and some forms of iron ore have been concentrated as a result of long period under great heat and pressure. Another group of sedimentary minerals include gypsum, potash, salt, and sodium soil. These are formed as the result of evaporation, especially in arid regions. Number third, another mode of formation involves the decomposition of surface rock and removal of soluble what is this constitutions, leaving the residual mass of weathered material containing ores, bauxite, and form this way. Classification of minerals. A table is given. Then, ma'am, fourth criteria: certain minerals may occur in alluvial deposit in sands of valley floors and the base of hills. These deposit are called placer deposit and generally contain minerals which are not corroded by water. Gold, silver, tin, and platinum are most important among such minerals. Fifth, the ocean water consists vast quantity of minerals, but most of these too widely diffused to be significant. However, the most salt, magnesium, and bromine are largely derived from ocean water. The ocean beds too are rich in magnesium nodules.
Manganese nodules.
Yes, ma'am,
Right.
magnesium nodules. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dhananjay wanted to ask something. Dhananjay, you raised your hand.
Ma'am, I raised because it's following the screen.
Because what happened, beta?
I'm for scrolling the screen.
Acha. Okay, fine. Okay, anything in this to be explained, class? I hope it is all clear and understood.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
dry.
What? Arid means dry. Yes, beta. Arid मतलब होता है without any moisture. हम कहते हैं ना कि जो हमारा डेजर्ट रीजन है वो एरिड एरियाज होते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
चलिए. अब
No,
next.
ma'am.
Yes. अच्छा, एक मिनट बेटा, किसी ने कुछ मैसेज करा है. Let me read out. Accumulation. Accumulation. Anybody who can tell me the meaning of accumulation? बेटा इकट्ठा करने को कहते हैं ना accumulate.
Collected.
हाँ, to collect. Yes. To collect. Accumulation मतलब इकट्ठा करना, एक के ऊपर एक इकट्ठा करना, जैसे कहते हैं ना accumulated. One over another. Sediments जो होते हैं आपके sedimentary rocks के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, we get that the sediments gets accumulated one over another. मतलब इकट्ठा होते रहते हैं एक के ऊपर एक. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay.
Now coming to the next topic that we have, it tells us that, like, you know, it is written that India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resources. अगर हम इसकी बात करें कि why do we say that India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resources? Can anybody tell me that what is the reason behind this variety that we have? Class?
Ma'am, because we have all type of weathers like ma'am climate, ma'am like monsoon, and these all ma'am help in the distribution. Ma'am, like they help in ma'am like what do we say, ma'am, ma'am, to get more fertile soil, like where the ma'am like like in mountain area they have like ma'am more ma'am like what we say.
Okay, you have said that mountain, sand, several things you said. So you can say that India has rich and varied mineral resources, maybe because of the various physiographic divisions that we have, right? Can we say like
Exactly.
this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Right?
ma'am. Yes.
Very good. See, we all know because of the various physiographic divisions that we have in the country, plus the variety of rocks that are available, right? So concentration of igneous rocks in the Deccan Plateau region, Malwa region, Chota Nagpur Plateau. So these call for which type of minerals are found there in these areas? Class?
Ma'am, what?
In the plateau region that we have, Chota Nagpur कह लो, चाहे आप मालवा प्लेट्यू कह लो, चाहे आप डेक्कन प्लेट्यू कह लो, ये इन रीजन्स में आपको किस तरीके के मिनरल के जो है कंसंट्रेशन मिलता है? बताओ.
Ma'am, metallic and non-metallic minerals.
हाँ, दोनों मिलते हैं हमें. सबसे ज्यादा हमारा आयरन और कंसंट्रेशन है इन जगहों पे. दूसरा कोल डिपॉजिट्स हमें बहुत मिलते हैं यहाँ पे. मिलते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
वेरी गुड।
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, अगर आप देखो जैसे अगर आप ये आपका नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स रीजन्स को अगर आप देखो तो यहाँ पे आपके एलुवियल डिपॉजिट्स आपको मिलते हैं, ठीक है, जो कि आपको गोल्ड सिल्वर और आपको वो देते हैं, प्लेटिनम देते हैं। फिर आपका प्लेट्यू रीजन जो है वो आपको एक्सक्लूसिवली आयरन ओर प्रोवाइड कराता है, कोल डिपॉजिट्स प्रोवाइड कराता है, ठीक है। कोस्टल रीजन्स में आपको जो कोस्टल रीजन है, स्पेशली इफ यू टॉक ऑफ यू नो दिस Nahar Katia region of Digboye Nahar Katia of Assam, and if you talk about the Bombay High, the Basayan region that we have in Gujarat, these areas they have complete concentration of mineral oils, right? आपके बेड रॉक्स जो हैं यहाँ पे आपको, क्योंकि सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स का एक्यूमुलेशन है, ओशन बेड्स हैं, यहाँ पे आपको मिनरल ऑयल कंसंट्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा मिलता है, राइट राइट।
Yes, ma'am.
तो अगर
Yes,
अगर हम अपने कंट्री के फिजियोग्राफिक डिविजन्स को देखते हैं तो हमारा कंट्री में जो फिजियोग्राफिक डिवीजन है वो अपने आप में रिस्पॉन्सिबल है फॉर द कंट्री टू हैव फेयरली रिच एंड वेरिड मिनरल रिसोर्सेज, ठीक है। दो ये अनइवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, कहीं पे किसी चीज का कंसंट्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, कहीं दूसरे इलाके में एरिया में उसी चीज की जो है डेफिशिएंसी है, वो डेफिशिएंट है, बट दूसरे एरियाज में जहाँ पे वो रिच है उसके कंसंट्रेशंस, वहां पे वो बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में मिलता है। तो हम ये कहते हैं कि भाई हमारे कंट्री का जो मिनरल रिसोर्सेज हैं वो बहुत अनइवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है, ठीक है। अगर आप देखो कुछ एरियाज तो बहुत ज्यादा रिच इन रिसोर्सेज है, कुछ एरियाज आर कंप्लीटली डेफिशिएंट, वहां पे है ही नहीं वो सारे रिसोर्सेज, ठीक है ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Ma'am,
फिर-
areas like ma'am Rajasthan where there is no rain throughout the year, ma'am, there also we found some minerals, ma'am.
वहां पे नॉन फेरस मिनरल्स मिलते हैं बेटा,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना, मतलब मिलते, देखो मिनरल्स की अवेलेबिलिटी सब जगह पे है, क्यों, क्योंकि जो रॉक टाइप्स हैं वो अलग अलग रॉक टाइप्स, हमारे पूरे कंट्री में अलग अलग तरीके के रॉक्स मिलते हैं हमको, तो पर कौन सी रॉक का एक्यूमुलेशन कहाँ पे ज्यादा है वो डिसाइड करता है कि किस तरीके का मिनरल वहां पे मिलता है, ठीक है। जैसे हमने आपको बताया कि जो प्लेट्यू रीजन्स हैं, छोटा नागपुर रीजन ले लो आप, जो आपका ये झारखंड, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल के पार्ट्स, इनको जो है कंपाइल करता है, ओडिशा की करता है, ठीक है। फिर आपका जो ये है डेक्कन प्लेट्यू रीजन है, आपका कर्नाटका हुआ, आंध्रा हुआ, ठीक है, तेलंगाना हुआ, ये रीजन्स भी जो है इनके पास भी कोल और आयरन डिपॉजिट्स हैं। फिर मालवा प्लेट्यू जो है रीजन, वहां पे भी इस तरीके का है। तो जो आपके जो डिफरेंट फिजियोग्राफिक डिविजन्स हैं वो बहुत बहुत हद तक रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं फॉर हैविंग uneven distribution of mineral resources that we have. I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the coming paragraphs, we will be reading about various ferrous minerals and their concentration over the Indian regions. कहाँ पे ये बहुत ज्यादा पाए जाते हैं, इनकी कौन सी वेराइटी जो है इज सुटेबल फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल यूज। आप ये मानो कि जो आयरन ओर होता है वो एक बेसिक मिनरल है जो कि इंडस्ट्रियल जो हमारी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं उसमें बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है। इसको हम आयरन, अगर आपको याद हो तो हमने पढ़ा था कि आयरन इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द बैकबोन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज, है ना। किसी भी जगह की इंडस्ट्रीज को की बैकबोन जो है वो आयरन और स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज कहलाती हैं, पढ़ा था ना हमने ये।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसलिए क्योंकि
Yes.
most of the industries they have machines and most of the machines are made up of iron and steel only.